We've had a great start to 2012, which is not a surprise. Everyone worked hard late last year, working on budgeting, working on planning. It was a tough year in 2011. So we were confident in the plans, we were confident in our employees' ability to execute on those plans, and those results have shone through in the first half of 2012. Finland, again, has seen some steady results. Despite a planned shutdown to maintain the autoclave, we still had good, strong production. We had good cost performance on a cost per ton basis, and that sets us up for a strong second half to this year. LaRonde has had a challenging start to 2012, which was expected. They're going deeper, they're transitioning into the lower mine. It's hot down there, it's congested. We know it's not an easy place to work, but our team hasn't quit, they haven't complained. They've laid out a plan to develop the lower part of the mine. Production's been steady. Cost management has been effective. It gets easier month after month as they improve the ventilation, as they get more working faces opened. But the nice thing about having a portfolio is for many years, LaRonde carried the company. And now we have a portfolio of assets where when LaRonde has their challenges, these other mines can step up and fill the void, and we've seen that with a couple of record performances from our other mines. And in fact, the next 15 years are going to be very strong. The ore is much more valuable. We're just going through a tough time right now. We know the team will pull through and set us up nicely for 2013 and beyond. Lapa, again, it's not an easy mine. We know that. It's narrow. It's a short mine life. But the team has done a really good job producing consistently quarter after quarter. Again, another good cost performance. But they've also done a good job in exploration. They've done a really good job. They're focused on trying to extend the mine life. We're fully supportive of that. We've approved some additional expenditures. We're confident that that mine will go on beyond 2015. At Goldex, we've had some good news, and that shouldn't surprise us because the employees there have stayed focused since we suspended operations last October. They laid out a disciplined plan to try to understand what potential opportunities could exist, if any, and they've been able to lay out a plan to move forward and develop satellite zones there, which will allow us to leverage off of what we built there over the last few years. So again, it shows that attitude. Don't quit, stay focused. The entire Agnico family's been supportive of what they were doing, and it's good news as we move forward. In Mexico, the operations continue to surprise us to the upside. They had record output again, following record output in the first quarter. That operation is one of our best net free cash flow generators, which is what shareholders are looking for, cash on cash return. That mine, that business delivers that quarter after quarter. Not only are they going to continue to improve on the existing operations, but what we like about that business is they're going to be able to increase the size of that business by 50% over the next couple of years with the development of La India. When you look at something like Meadowbank, which is actually our biggest producer, we struggled there last year, but the team worked extremely hard at redoing a mine plan that was lower risk and that was going to optimize cash flow over the remaining mine life. So I think that's a testament to the way Agnico thinks. Don't quit. And when we had some challenges, our objective was to deal with them straight up, lay out a plan to address those issues, and Meadowbank did that. When we look at the first half production coming out of Meadowbank, it far exceeded our budget numbers, and we're set up for a strong second half and a strong next several years. But the key for Meadowbank is that skill set is going to help us with Meliadine, where we saw really good drill results in the first half. In fact, we've made new discoveries, we've extended existing deposits. That's a big part of Agnico's future, is the Arctic and the strategy we have to expand our business up there. I'm extremely proud of all of our employees, particularly when you look at how difficult 2011 was for Agnico. But the employees pulled together, they didn't quit, they laid out new plans to move us forward into 2012, and we're seeing the benefits of all of those efforts show through in the strong start we've had to 2012. And we expect those results to continue to be very strong as we move through the balance of 2012. So I couldn't be prouder of the work and the effort that the employees have given in 2012.